Wait, I'm really bad at this. From what I can see, wala namang kulang. Like, I don't think you would need anything else. You're smart, you're pretty, you're a good person, you're fun. So my birthday wish to you is that you continue to grow to be a fun, pretty, smart woman. I hope you don't change. I hope you stay humble, you stay grounded, and I wish you the best, good health, long life, and all of that.
Thank you,
Alvin.
So may siya yung kinakabahan, pero ikaw yung may birthday, di ba? So you guys, let's all invite them to Cassandra.
Sige, ako muna. So, ayun po ang Cassandra. Hopefully, magsa-start na kami ng May 6. Sana po, supportahan nyo. And I can see that sa pagdating nyo pa nandito, maraming salamat po. Isang I'm taking this as a big support from you guys. And sana po ay magtuloy-tuloy hanggang sa matapos tayo. Or kung kayang pahabain, sana humaba pa po tayo. And with your help, and of course, our audience, at kami din, of course, sa mga gumagawa ng Cassandra, pagsisikapan po namin, pero maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo and thank you for coming here. Sa May 6 na po ang Cassandra Warrior Angel. Sana po panoorin natin lahat at suportahan po natin. Thank you!
Yun nga po, Cassandra, May 6 na po. Sana po panoorin natin lahat yan. It's gonna be 6:45.
Alvin, what's your role pala there? Kasi hindi natin na kwento sa kanila yun.
Sacristan.
Wow!
Yeah, okay.
Parang tawa siya. Sinabi niya,
I think I'm pulling it off.
Okay, so thank you so much. I'm sure lahat sila inaabangan yan. But you know, before we